You see this huge foil tent behind me? It's designed to help vegetables to grow. They're great, but sadly not enough. Want to know why? I'll tell you, don't worry. You see these cucumbers? They are climbing plants, so it's very advisable to use a support to make them as big and healthy as possible.
However, stakes can't always be used, for example in a crowded greenhouse like this one or with hydroponic systems. This is when a great tool like Trellisnet comes really handy. What is it? It's a vertical staking net to support climbing vegetables, allowing them to grow taller, ensuring an easier, well-organised, healthier growth of the crop. Plus, thanks to the better circulation of air and the passage of light, it allows to reinforce the density of the crop, thus increasing the calibre and amount of the fruits. Also, Trellisnet accelerates the fruit maturation and facilitates an optimal growth.
Trellisnet has many advantages.
Not only faster maturation, but the coloration of the fruit is also guaranteed. When using Trellisnet, we will be able to harvest faster and all our major daily operations will be easier to do as well.
This net increases productive yield per furrow, is reusable, very resistant, and can support high weights of fruit and vegetables.
For plants that grow vertically like this cucumber or zucchini, we can build a freestanding frame and then stretch Trellisnet over this frame, giving our plants a good and stable system to climb on.
As you can see, Trellisnet can be used in many different forms with various crops.
Like peas, beans, bell peppers, tomatoes, raspberries and eggplants.
However, Trellisnet can also be used horizontally.
For plants like carnations, chrysanthemums, lilies and gerbera, we can stretch our Trellisnet horizontally. And by using more than one layer of netting, we can support the flower stems without having to use stakes or tie the flowers individually. Thanks to the regularity of the squares in the mesh, we can install up to 5 layers, forming a perfect chimney that guarantees that the stems will grow perfectly straight.
I told you it's versatile. Trellisnet reduces labour for installation, minimalising bacterial infections and transmissions and plant stress. It's a winner, no question.